Hello, I'm going to give you a really quick capsule view of who we are. You've probably seen some information and you said, well, send me something. Well, this is just giving you a really quick overview. First and foremost, the name of our company is Lovebiome. You see it right there in the corner. And it's because we love this information about the microbiome. We want to help you do three things. One, we want to make sure you look good. Two, we want to make sure you feel good. And three, we want you to get out there and live your very best life. What prevents people from getting what everybody wants? Well, for so many people, it's health. They have health issues. You know, if you were to line up any 10 people, do you know that 6 of them would have one of these 7 diseases? Now, that's a startling statistic, but of the 6, 4 of them would have 2 or more. And some people believe that this is just the way it has to be. Well, we've discovered that's not true. We are the Microbiome Company, and we were driven to find out if there is one thing that you can do to have optimal health. And then we looked at the research and all the discoveries out there, and we're glad to say that we found out there is one thing you can do, and that is to take care of your microbiome, an environment inside of your body, an ecosystem inside of your body. I'll give you a little bit more information. Remember this, your microbiome is the center of good health. Microbiome health is human health. Now, specifically, we're going to talk about your gut microbiome. Again, it's the center of health in your body, and by definition, it's the entire digestive tract, from your mouth to your rectum and everything that goes on in that area. Here's a visual. This ecosystem has 100 trillion microbial cells just working. We're not even paying attention. 90% of your DNA and 100,000 genes. When it works the way it should, good health. When it doesn't, it wreaks havoc on the body. Going back 2,500 years ago, Hippocrates, who has the moniker of being the father of medicine, he said all disease starts in the gut. Not some, not most, all disease starts in the gut. And now they know that what he said is true. So whether it's mental health or autism, obesity, cancer, diabetes, the way you sleep or don't sleep at night, the way you age, it all starts in the gut. Now, I say all of this with conviction because I've done my research, but you can do the same thing. Think of anything that someone you love is dealing with or yourself, and add the words, Google it, add the words gut microbiome, and you're going to find peer-reviewed, scholarly articles, clinically tested information of how important taking care of your gut is to that particular situation. When you take care of your gut, every physiological system in your body is impacted. There's a connection between the brain and the gut that's so significant. They now call the gut the body's second brain. That's how important it is. So as a company, we want to help you create the ideal environment inside your microbiome. You do it by flooding it with good bacteria, creating the separation and getting rid of the bad bacteria as soon as you can. How? Well, you have to provide your body with a variety, a diversity of plant life. One magical superfood is not enough. So we have all the colors of nature, the greens, the reds, the orange and yellows, and the blues and purples, everything organic from the garden. We have superfoods and ancient civilization foods and the best in spices as well as herbs. And we created a product called the Daily 3. I'm going to share it with you, but you can see the stamps of approval on the screen. Let's start with PhytoPower. PhytoPower floods the body with phytonutrients, probiotics, fruits and vegetables. If you look at the box, 40 different fruits and vegetables. Now, if you read the box, it's enough to make you know you need this in your life. Look at what it says. It says that it has no GMOs, herbicides, pesticides, no artificial flavors, sweeteners, preservatives, or colors, 0 gluten, dairy, corn, egg, peanuts, no animal byproducts, lactose, sucrose, or dextrose, no added sugar. It's perfect for all lifestyles, vegetarian, vegan, paleo, keto, and more. It comes in these little sachets. You mix it with 8 to 10 ounces of water, and you will be getting a green blend, an orange blend, a red blend, a purple blend, all in that one sachet. And it's just food. Things you recognize, asparagus and papaya and pumpkin and tomato and cherry and eggplant, all of it is in here every day. Now, you know and I know we don't get all that every single day. So that's enough to make us understand how important. But then it also has the enzymes and the probiotics that individuals don't or may not be as familiar with. And the lack of them causes major problems. Then you have these 2 bottles. You take an ounce of each every day. The red is called Balance, and it's good for gut health, mental acuity, And then the purple is detox. And honestly, I could probably give you an hour seminar on just how important it is to detox the body. Your body goes through a process. You eat, it sits in your stomach, and then it goes into this digestive system. Well, do you know how many people literally are dealing with something called auto intoxication, where their body is poisoning itself because they're not eliminating properly? Now, this is not a laxative, but it works with the natural circadian rhythm of the body to get rid of all the things, including heavy metals that shouldn't be in our bodies. One of my favorite products, but everything in it is all natural. Both of these bottles have a unique ingredient called red light noni ferment. Now, if you know anything about noni, you know how good it is. But this noni, it's patented and proprietary, so you can't get it anywhere else. It's 25% more efficacious when it comes to the polyphenols and more phytonutrients. We have targeted probiotics for weight loss and for calm and management, good sleep, for energy, and to block the dreaded sugar. Again, another hour could give you the details, but you know what resonates with you. Do you need to lose weight? Are you a sugar addict and you know it's wreaking havoc on your body? Do you need more energy or a good night's sleep? Well, these products are reasonable. Retail, it's $190, but you can save $30 by being on subscription. If you get the whole set, which includes the postbiotic body souffle, which I didn't talk about, it's $195. And then the individual ones, the W, the B, the C, and the E, $39 on subscription. The best value is when you get everything, $345. There is a money back guarantee. So this is designed to give you a quick overview of who we are, what we do. When you use the product, what can you expect? You're going to feel less stressed. You're going to sleep better than you usually sleep. Your skin is going to clear up. Headaches go away. Inflammation, your mood, everything starts to improve. Cravings reduce. And weight loss, if that's what your body needs, that's another thing that you'll start to see. So use the product. I don't like to say try it. Use the product. Start to correct the environment inside of your body. Become another satisfied customer. Share your testimonial with us, and then you too will share it with the people that you love. Thank you for listening.